Dear students, in last period we have seen relations, meaning of relation, types of relation. There are three types of relations we have seen. Number one, reflexive relations. Number two, symmetric relations. And third one we have seen transitive relations. And few problems based on the types of the relations. Today I have taken one example. Just I have written in on the board. Show that the relation R in the set 1, 2, 3 is given by the set of relation is equal to order pair 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3 is reflexive but neither symmetric nor transitive. We try to solve this example. Solution are right. First one we take the set R. Let the set R of relation order pair 1, 1, 2, 2, 3, 3, 1, 2, 2, 3. Number one, first is reflexive. First one is reflexive. For reflexive, if order pair AB belongs to R, then AA also belongs to R. Here we verify that AB belongs to R means suppose 1 belongs to R, 2 belongs to R, here 3 belongs to R, here 1 2 belongs to R. Let we take 1 2 belongs to R. 1 2 belongs to R. That implies that 1 1 should be belongs to R. If we see the set of relation, then 1 1, yes, it is 1 1, yes, 1 1 is belongs to R. Here 2 3 belongs to R. 2 3 belongs to R. Implies that 2 2 should be belongs to R. Then and then only we can say that the given relation is reflexive. Here 2 2 belongs to R. Whether 2 2 is present in the set of R? Yes. 2 2, yes, it is here. Therefore 2 2 also belongs to R. Means the condition AB belongs to R, then AA should be belongs to R. It is verified. Therefore the relation R is reflexive. Then next one, he has asked about symmetric relation. Number 2, symmetric relation. For symmetric relation, we know the condition if order pair AB belongs to R, then BA should be belongs to R. Here we take any order pair. Suppose 2 3 belongs to R, then 3 2 should be belongs to R. But 3 2 doesn't belongs to R. 3 2 doesn't belongs to R. Meaning of this relation R is not symmetric. Then third point is about transitive relation. Transitive relation means what? Number 3, transitive relation. Transitive relation means if AB belongs to R, transitive relation. If AB belongs to R, BC belongs to R, then AC should be belongs to R. AC should be belongs to R. Here I take 1 belongs to R or 2 belongs to R. I take 2 belongs to R. Yes. Then 3 belongs to R. Yes. Then we check whether 3 belongs to R. Yes. 3 belongs to R. Next we take another example. Suppose 1 belongs to R. 1 belongs to R. Then 2 belongs to R. 2 belongs to R. 2 belongs to R. Then 2 belongs to R. Whether 2 belongs to R or not? Yes, 2 is belongs to R. Here 3 belongs to R. 3 belongs to R. Then 3 belongs to R. 3 belongs to R. Meaning of this, we should get 3 belongs to R. 3 belongs to R. Here 1 belongs to R. 2 belongs to R. 2, then 3 belongs to R. Then 1 belongs to R, 2 belongs to R, then 2 is also belongs to R. Next we take 2 belongs to R. If 2 belongs to R, then 3 belongs to R. 3 belongs to R. Here we should get 3 belongs to R, but 3 does not belongs to R. Here two examples are correct. Number 1, yes, it is. Number 2, yes, it is correct. But in third case, if 2 belongs to R, 3 belongs to R, then we did not get 3 belongs to R. Means 3 does not belongs to R. Meaning of this, if AB belongs to R and BC belongs to R, then we get AC does not belongs to R. Means the relation R is not transitive. Relation R is not transitive. Means this relation is reflexive relation. This relation is not symmetric nor transitive relation. Then just we take another example. Show that the relation R in the set Z defined as R is equal to set X, R is equal to order pair AB such that 2 divides A minus B is an equivalence relation. An equivalence relation. Students, I told you in last period what do you mean by equivalence relation. Equivalence relation means a relation R which is reflexive, symmetric as well as transitive. Then and then only we say that the given relation is an equivalence relation. Here we have to prove the relation is an equivalence relation, means this relation should be reflexive, this relation should be symmetric, and this relation should be transitive. These three things we have to show. Number one, we write reflexive. Reflexive means if AB belongs to R, AB belongs to R, then AA belongs to R. Here also, if AB belongs to R, means suppose AB belongs to R. If AB belongs to R, meaning of this, 2 divides A minus B. Then AA belongs to R means what? AA belongs to R means 2 divides A minus A. 2 divides A minus A means A minus A upon 2 is defined or is possible. Yes. Means 0 upon 2 is possible, is defined. Yes. This is always true. Therefore, A belongs to R means 2 divides A minus A. Yes, it is true. Therefore, this relation is, we say, therefore, relation is reflexive. Reflexive. Second, we see about symmetric. About symmetric. Symmetric means if AB belongs to R, then BA should be belongs to R. BA should be belongs to R. What do you mean by AB belongs to R? AB belongs to R as per given in the set R. Set is defined as 2 divides A minus B. 2 divides A minus B. Then is it possible BA belongs to R? BA belongs to R means what? 2 divides B minus A. If 2 divides A minus B, then 2 divides B minus A also. If 2 divides A minus B, if 2 minus 4 upon 2 is possible, then 4 minus 2 upon 2 is also possible. It is in both cases it is true. If 2 divides A minus B, then 2 divides B minus A also. Therefore, in this case we can say that relation R is symmetric relation. Symmetric relation. In third one, we take about transitive relation. Transitive relation. Let AB belongs to R. AB belongs to R means what? 2 divides A minus B. Then BC belongs to R means what? BC belongs to R means 2 divides B minus C. Then what is A minus C? A minus C is equal to, we write A minus B plus B minus C. Means A, it is minus B plus B will get cancelled. Then A minus C will remain here. Means A minus C we can write as A minus B plus B minus C. What is A minus B? 2 divides A minus B. Means A minus B is divisible by 2. Means A minus B is divisible by 2. The meaning of divisibility is that A minus B we can write in multiple of 2. Means it is even. Here also B minus C, 2 divides B minus C, means B minus C is divisible by 2, means B minus C is also even, it is multiple of 2. Then even plus even, we will get even number. Therefore, A minus B plus B minus C, addition of both these expressions will be even number. That is even number. And therefore, A minus C will be divisible by, therefore, A minus C will be divisible will be divisible by 2 means 2 divides a minus c. If 2 divides a minus b, if 2 divides b minus c, then what we get? 2 divides a minus c. Therefore relation R is transitive. Relation R is transitive. Then if the relation is reflexive, if the relation is symmetric, if the relation is transitive, then it is obvious that the given relation is what? Equivalence relation. Given relation is equivalence relation.